Protecting your sexual health is very important, and using condoms is a simple and effective way to have a healthy sex life. So, what are condoms? Condoms are thin, stretchy pouches that are used during sex to collect semen and other fluids. There are two types of condoms: external, which is worn on the penis, and internal, which is inserted into the vagina or anus. Condoms are important for preventing pregnancy by stopping sperm entering the vagina to fertilize an egg. Condoms are also an essential barrier for genital fluids to prevent the spread of sexually transmitted infections such as HIV and hepatitis, as well as other diseases transmitted through sex. So, how do you use an external condom properly? First, check the expiration date and gently squeeze the packet to ensure it hasn't been punctured. Then, carefully remove the condom from the packet to ensure it isn't torn. Place it on the tip of the penis and pinch the top half-inch to create a gap. While holding the top of the condom, roll it down to the base of the penis before sex. To prevent tearing during sex, you may want to use lube. You can only use condoms once, so make sure to carefully remove the condom and wrap it in a tissue before putting it in the trash bin. You should use a new condom every time you have oral, anal, or vaginal sex. There are different types of condoms that you can choose from. Latex condoms are made from rubber and are the most common. Only use water-based or silicone lube with latex condoms to avoid damaging them. Latex-free condoms are suitable for people with latex allergies and can be used with most lubes, except if the condom is made from polyisoprene, in which case oil-based lubes should be avoided. Ask your healthcare provider for advice if you're not sure what to use. When used correctly, both latex and latex-free condoms help to prevent pregnancy and the spread of STIs. Animal skin condoms, such as lambskin, can help prevent pregnancy, but they have tiny holes that let bacteria and viruses through, so they don't protect against STIs. You can get condoms easily from most convenience stores, drugstores, and health clinics, sometimes even for free. Using condoms correctly greatly reduces the risk of getting and spreading a sexually transmitted infection, but doesn't eliminate the risk completely. It's important to have honest and open conversations with your sexual partners to ensure that you both have a happy and healthy sex life.